Anti-corruption watchdog, the National Integrity Action NIA, is rejecting claims by the U.S. ambassador to Jamaica that the country has not received a return on its investment. This follows reports that the U.S. government will stop funding the anti-corruption lobby group as of March this year. Executive Director of the NIA, Professor Trevor Monroe, spoke on Radio Jamaica's Hotline program with Emily Shields today. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm picks up that story.
It all began when the U.S. ambassador to Jamaica, Donald Tapia, reportedly went to a Rotary Club meeting stating that the investment in an anti-corruption campaigner was not worthwhile. News emerged that he was referring to the NIA, which got $2.9 million from the U.S. in 2013 through a program called Combating Corruption and Strengthening Integrity in Jamaica. NIA also benefits from the $10.6 million pool of funds made available to several stakeholders through the Caribbean Basin Security Initiative. In responding to the claims, Professor Trevor Monroe pointed to a 2019 report from the USAID.
It's replete with positive commendations about the value for money being attained, regarding the success of the program, the levels of cooperation and partnerships that we afford with agencies and ministries of government as well as non-governmental organizations, the extent to which the leadership of NIA has added substantial value to the success of the work amongst the Jamaican people.
The report from USAID also stated that advocacy from the NIA was instrumental in the creation of a single anti-corruption agency for Jamaica, the Integrity Commission. It also recommended that the NIA develop a plan that does not depend on future funding from USAID, as funding would end in March 2020.
To the extent that we're not able to win awards to the same tune from the European Union, the Canadians, the American Development Bank, all of whom we are now in the process of applying to. It will mean a decline in our activity and it will mean a reduction in our effectiveness.
Would it mean a cut in staff?
That's what we're discussing as we speak, to the extent that we are not able to guarantee the existing levels of funding and to get support from other entities to substitute for the USAID agreement having come to an end, very likely.
In the meantime, Ambassador Tapia is reported to have said that the government of Jamaica, past and present, cannot be painted with a brush of corruption. This was Professor Monroe's response.
Neither NIA nor myself have ever, under the Holiness administration or the administration before, branded, broad brush, any Jamaican government as corrupt, and I would not now begin to do so. What we do, as you know, is comment on investigation reports by our Auditor General, credible allegations from other authoritative sources, which have to do with good governance and with corruption.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.